What can you do with a box that has just one drawer? I found some of these at Michael's Crafts a while back, and they intrigued me, and I thought I had to think of something to do with them. And then one day I was looking at them and pulling out the drawers, and I went like this, and I pulled it up. And immediately I had the idea to make them into quiz cubes, where I would put a clue on each side, and you'd read the 4 clues, and then try to figure out what was in the box, and then you would open the box to see if you were right. So here's the first quiz cube I ever made. It's hand printed. I eventually went to doing it on the computer. But let's see if you can guess what's in here. I have no bones, no blood, and no brain. I have arms, but no legs. I love to eat clams. My stomach comes out of my body. So take a guess. You can pause the video, and then the answer is a sea star. This is another of my very early boxes. I can stay underwater for 20 minutes. I hatch eggs during the winter, not the summer. I can go without food for several months because I store energy in layers of fat under my skin. I am 48 inches tall. Take a guess. And it's the emperor penguin. My tongue is 2 feet long. I walk on my knuckles so I won't stab myself with my sharp claws. That's a photograph. You can see there's the claws. I live in South America and can be up to 8 feet long. That's 2.5 meters. I don't have any teeth. Hopefully you guessed. Giant anteater. Here's another South American one. I am the only land mammal with more than 7 neck bones. I have 8 or 9. Green algae often grows on my fur, but I don't mind because it helps with camouflage. I sleep 15 to 20 hours a day. I eat leaves. I pee and poop only once a week. And it is the 3-toed sloth. I can be found in South America and Asia. I am the size of a donkey. I eat plants. I love to swim, and I sometimes walk underwater using my snout as a snorkel. My snout looks and acts like a shorter version of an elephant's trunk. Take a guess, pause the video if you need to, and it is the tapir. I think this is a Malaysian tapir, but the other kinds are in South America as well. I live in trees and can often be seen resting on branches. My skin has 2 layers. One reflects yellow light, one reflects blue light. These colors combine to make me look what color? I can grow to be 6 feet long. I'm a carnivore and hunt at night using heat sensors around my mouth. And I am the emerald tree boa.